पैसा भरने से
साथ साथ ही रहना उनके नहीं विशेष कर तीसरा वो कौन है
ज्ञानेश्वर है
शिवानंद आगे बस जो हमारे
मैं हूँ ना दीदी आओ ना
वेलकम दीदी हार्टी
आओ
कुमार गाड़ी आ गई पीछे रखना पीछे रखना
नहीं सीधा यहीं आ जाओ यहीं शुरू करें आपका वेट कर रहे हैं वेलकम
अभी अभी आदरणीय सुदेश दीदी जी पहुंच गए हैं। All the brothers and sisters are requested to gather at the flag post to have our dear most Shiv Baba's flag hoisted.
कमलेश भाई वो जाता भेज दो बोले क्या दूसरा वाला सबके पास जाता
डॉक्टर से बात
मेरे बाबा को ये बोला भैया एक बार तो चाहिए।
नहीं कल भी 2-2.5 घंटे रखा था तो आज तो क्यों के निकाल देगा ना होगा बात
मेरे बाबा को कहती हूँ एक बार और भाग लेगा चलेगा भागते
लगाना बैच
इधर क्या है कैमरा पीछे है आगे
पीछे भाई है
कोई दीदी जी पढ़ा रहे हैं।
यानी नीचे कर
कैसी है
छतरी हटा दो
साकार रूप में अवतरण की रात्रि को ही महाशिवरात्रि कहा जाता है। आज हम सभी शिव बाबा की व बाप दादा की 89वां जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं। यह 89 अंक अपने में ही बहुत खास और प्रेरणादायी है। नवासी अर्थात जो यहाँ वास न करता हो उस शख्स की उस परम हस्ती की हम जन्मदिन मना रहे हैं और यह अंक हम सभी को बाप समान परम धाम वासी बारंबार बनने की प्रेरणा भी देती है। चलिए हम अब उस अंक के अर्थ स्वरूप में स्थित होकर के इस त्योहार का हम आनंद या लाभ उठाएं। Inviting, invoking our Bap Dada to be present in the meeting, in these celebrations. to share with us the celebrations of joyous Shiv Jayati. Let us have a few moments of silence. Om Shanti. Many, many thanks to Bharata. Dr. Pankaj, Dr. कमल जोशी जी, आप आए हमारे आदरणीय दीदियों का। सबसे पहले मोहिनी दीदी जी, डॉक्टर निखिल पटेल जी, प्लीज आप भी। डॉक्टर पंकज जी, डॉक्टर कमल जोशी जी इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, स्वागत कर रहे हैं। मृत्युंजय भाई जी का स्वागत हो रहा है, हैदर भाई जी कर रहे हैं, और डॉक्टर मोहम्मद सिंगल भाई साहब का स्वागत भी हो गया है। मीरा दीदी जी, हंसा दीदी का भी स्वागत हो रहा है।
आपका बेहद प्यार है हमसे, तब तो बुलावे पर आए हो।
हम सब बहन भाइयों का आप उमंग बढ़ाए हो।
आपके प्रताप से आ न सके,
आपके प्रताप से आ न सके,
संताप मन के द्वार,
संताप मन के द्वार।
अभिवादन अभिनंदन करता
ये ग्लोबल परिवार।
पनिचा 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 पनिचा, पावन पावन है मन भावन, अनोखा ये त्योहार।
पावन पावन है मन भावन, अनोखा ये त्योहार।
शिव जयंती सबको मुबारक, स्वागत है सबका।
पावन है मन भावन, अनोखा ये त्योहार।
शिव जयंती सबको मुबारक, स्वागत है सबका। होली हंस बाबा की पूजाएं, सेवाएं की
आके प्रताप से आ न सके संताप मन के द्वार। अभिवादन अभिनंदन करता ये गोवल परिवार। अलख निरंजन आते हैं, सबकी अलख जगाते हैं, सबको उनकी यादगार में श्री जयंती मनाते हैं। शिव शक्ति पांडव दल आए जी, बजाओ जी खुशी की ताली। देवियाँ शिव शक्तियाँ आई, घर में सबकी झोली। कैसे भला भूलेंगे हम ये आपका ये उपकार। कैसे भला भूलेंगे हम ये आपका ये उपकार। झूमो गाओ खुशी मनाओ, कहते हैं निराकार। आशा और विश्वास हो, आप अपने खास हो, ग्लोबल सदा तरक्की करे, करते सदा प्रयास हो। सहयोगी ये सहयोगी दाता के बच्चे आए हैं, रूहानी प्यार पालना से जीवन में रंगत लाए हैं। सजी है महफिल झूम रहा दिल, स्वागत सौ सौ बार। सजी है महफिल झूम रहा दिल, स्वागत सौ सौ बार। शिव जयंती सबको मुबारक, कहती है दिल के तार। पावन पावन है मन भावन, अनोखा ये त्योहार। पावन पावन है मन भावन, अनोखा ये त्योहार। शिव जयंती सबको मुबारक, स्वागत है सबका, स्वागत है सौ सौ बार। स्वागत है सौ सौ बार, स्वागत है सौ सौ बार, स्वागत है सौ सौ बार।
बहुत बहुत बधाई हमारे अलदर भाई और नितिन भाई के लिए। इस स्वागत की श्रृंखला में मंच पर विराजे श्रेष्ठ आत्माओं की, आदरणीय दीदियों की, जो सभ्य स्वस्थ समाज को निर्मित करने वाले हैं। तो ऐसे खुशी के मौके पर हम भाई साहब से निवेदन करते हैं, सबका स्वागत अपने शब्दों के सुमन माला अर्पण से स्वागत करें।
Om Shanti. It's very special for us. The whole global family is with us at the Global Hospital. So we are very happy and delighted to have you all. Especially our dearest Mohini Didi ji, Jayanti Didi ji, Sudesh Didi, and Chakradhari Didi, Prabha Didi, Shashi Didi, and all my senior loving sisters. It's so special, and the Shiv Jayanti is what unites us all, because We took birth because Shiv Baba took incarnation. And we have Shiv Baba's blessings all the way. His abundance, knowledge has enlightened us, and we celebrate Shivratri in the real, truthful way, whereas the world is still unaware of it. So Baba today, Murli also said that it is our responsibility, it's our duty to share the message of incorporeal Father with everyone, with each soul on this earth. So on this special day, we rejoice, we celebrate, we enjoy, but at the same time, we also are aware of our responsibility. How people who need us, as Baba said on Sundays, Avik Murli also, that whenever there is unrest, whenever there is problem, the army or the law enforcing agencies move. But since we are the stem of the world tree, so it's our responsibility to remove the suffering of the whole universe. So that we can do with our positive vibration, with our happy thoughts, which we share with everyone. But on this special day, I am very grateful to all the senior sisters who have made it today. I know their commitment to the whole family, and this is why they are here. And all the brothers and sisters, the doctors of the hospital, I congratulate them because we are celebrating Shiv Jayanti together. And Shiv, today as Baba said, he is the Trinity. He is the creator of the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar. This is the message which should go to everyone, that what is real Trinity and how the new world is being created with our positive thoughts and vibration. And the enlightenment which we get, it should come to our practical life, and we should become embodiment of the knowledge which Shiv Baba has given us. So on this day, we pledge ourselves to the service of the mankind, not only for the physical health, but also for mental and spiritual health. Thank you very much. Most welcome, most welcome, most welcome.
शुभकामनाएं हमसे साझा करें दीदी जयंती जी।
Om Shanti. Congratulations to Global Hospital for many, many decades of service to humanity, but also congratulations for the 89th Shiv Jayanti. We've been coming here every year, spiritual, and we know that the global family, not just the hospital, but the international family, always come attend this gathering. And within this gathering, yes, we give thanks to Shiv Baba and Brahma Baba and the Dadis who have created such a beautiful family and sustained it for so many years. But also, we give thanks to Global Hospital family for having taken care of us for a very long time. I know that every season we have some people who manage to come across some sort of karmic accounts to be settled with help, but Global Hospital looks after them with such care and love that they never forget that experience. Again, I just noticed that maybe because of the heat, one of our sisters from Australia wasn't feeling so well perhaps, but there was immediate attention given and she's being taken care of very, very well. Okay, so just to say that okay, that was an invitation about Brahma Bhujan. So very appropriate. It's lunchtime now. But I just want to give thanks from my heart for the tapasya that the staff here have been doing. Tapasya in two ways. One is they have a lot of meditation going on here, but the other tapasya is a tapasya in which they serve people with such great love and attention. And especially Dr. Pratap, many, many thanks from our hearts for being the instrument for making so much to happen, taking care of everyone. The message for Shivratri is with me. The message is, it's time for light to enter the world. God is the being of light, but each one of us is also the light. And in a world of great darkness, we have to be the ones who share that light with all. Thank you. Om Shanti.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
On behalf of the one who is the bestower of blessings, Satchidanand, Sada Shiv, Sada Kalyanakari, जिनके नाम से सदा शब्द आता है, ever, ever, ever and forever, the bestower of happiness, the remover of sorrow and liberator, and from the heart, from all of us, and certainly even those who are not present, I can see what benefit they have taken from the global hospital, especially to Dr. Pratap and all the whole team and cooperative souls. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations to all the blossoming flowers of the gods of God's garden. Today Baba spoke about that we are Malis, but we are actually learn how to be healer. And those who come here, not they go crying, they come crying in a sad state of hopelessness and go back from here blessed and with full of hope and healthy and happy. And so this is what it is, what Baba's task is. That is being done to liberate from sorrow, bring health, wealth and happiness. And this is a sample and example of this place. So Baba's today especially is because of birthday, Saptatrimurti Shiv Jayanti. And so in fact, it is birthday of all of us. So congratulations and happy birthday to all of you who certainly follow Baba's Shrivat at every step and create this world of happiness, health, wealth and joy for everyone. Om Shanti, once again, congratulations.
पेश करें।
Om Shanti. Today, on this special day of 89th Shiv Jayanti, very, very special congratulations from Bap Dada, Dadis, all the Dadas, because when this hospital was made, built, at that time, Bap Dada gave lot of blessings, and Dadis, they used to come here to give encouragement, sustenance, and Dadas used to come here, take care of each and everyone. This is a very, very special hospital among the whole world. We see the patient who come here, they not only get the treatment, they get the spiritual love, they get the vibration of Brahmin family, they also feel the blessings from Bap Dada. And today we are celebrating 89 Shiv Jayanti celebration in the courtyard of Global Hospital. As it is the name Global Hospital, from this Global Hospital, the vibration of love, peace and blessings reach to the whole world. I know that brothers and sisters from all over the world, when they come here, they always get that feeling that they are not in the hospital, they are in the family, and they get the family feeling, and that is which Dr. Pratap, all the doctors and all the nurses and the whole staff of Global Hospital, they serve everyone with love, with respect, and they have a lot of love and respect for everyone. That is the reason we see the message from this hospital is reaching all over the world, and our best wishes for everyone, especially on this day. We feel that Bap Dada's blessings are spreading all over on everyone, because we are all sitting under the canopy of Bap Dada, and this is the task of Baba. And to this task, Baba, Dadis and all the Dadas made it in a practical way. So today everyone is with us and they are watching this beautiful scene, and we are celebrating our 89 Shiv Jayanti festival. So congratulations to everyone, those who are serving here and those who are getting benefit from this global hospital. Congratulations to everyone. Bap Dada always reminds us that we have to get that feeling that Bap Dada is doing everything. We are only instrument. This is Baba's task, and we are only instrument. With this feeling, we get more and more power and more love in our life. Okay, best wishes to everyone. Congratulations on 89 Shiv Jayanti. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. On this day of Trimurti Shiv Jayanti festival, we celebrate as a 89th Shiv Jayanti celebrations. You can see with this very short time, the organization established by Shiv Baba and Brahma Baba and mothers. This has become a world organization. What is the secret of this organization? It has spread so fast. It is because the Amrit Vela, what we all practice, the meditation, which has not been being practiced by all other groups. So therefore, today I remember Nirvair Bhai, who thought of a global hospital. His vision was for the whole world. The first one, we had a very small hospital, because in Sangam we all found that we are all going old. So we need some assistance nearby, because Mount Abu was a very small, about 25,000 people at that time here. So he thought that we should have hospital, and then we found that it has become a requirement for the whole of Divine Family. So the service of this hospital has increased in other cities also. We thought that in Sangam, with all our knowledge and practice of yoga, we need the health, and for that Baba has done this hospital. And I am also thankful to Prakashmani Dadiji, and at present Munni Ben also are taking the care of the hospital. But I am also pleased to tell you, before Nirvair Bhai left body, he had a thought that we need some better facilities here. So he was dreaming of a 16 facility hospital, but all of us thought that to start with, we are going to start this hospital from March, and we will try our best to complete it. This is what I heard from our Dr. Pratap Bhai. So we all brothers and sisters, we are pleased that for Confluence Age, we need a hospital also where Baba's children get all type of facilities here. And I again congratulate all of you on this 89th Trimurti Shiv Jayanti, and Om Shanti.
ओम शांति। शिव जयंती की, डायमंड जयंती की सुंदर वेला में हम सभी इस प्रमुख स्थल पर उपस्थित अपने प्यारे बाबा की शिव जयंती मनाने के लिए न केवल देश से बल्कि विश्व के बहुत से देशों के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो सब यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, सबके सम्मुख इस महान जयंती को मनाने के लिए हम सब बहुत खुशी खुशी से उपस्थित हुए हैं। और मैं देख रही हूँ कि वतन से प्यारे बाप दादा कितने खुश हैं, और खुशी नहीं है लेकिन लाइट और माइट की छत्र छाया देकर हर बच्चे को शक्तिशाली बना रही, और बच्चों को एक ही आदेश ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि बाबा वतन से दे रहे हैं, बच्चे किसी की कमी और कमजोरी को ना देखना। अगर किसी में कोई कमी और कमजोरी दिखाई भी दे तो अपनी शुभ भावनाएं और मंगल कामनाओं से उनको इतना सहयोग देना कि वे अपने जीवन को श्रेष्ठ बनाकर अनेकों के जीवन को श्रेष्ठ बनाने लग जाए। मैं समझती हूँ झंडा रोहन वास्तव में हमें याद दिलाता है कि हमको कुछ अपने आप से ऐसी प्रतिज्ञाएं करनी है जिससे जिस पिता ने हम बच्चों को विश्व के आगे प्रत्यक्ष किया है, हम अपने ऐसे प्यारे बाप दादा को विश्व के आगे प्रत्यक्ष करें। आज इन्हीं दृढ़ संकल्पों से हम झंडारोहण करेंगे और प्यारे बाबा को बहुत बहुत मुबारक देंगे और आपस में भी एक दूसरे को मुबारक देंगे। ओम शांति, ओम शांति,
ओम शांति। On the 89th Trimurti Shiva Jayanti Day, an historical day, memorable day, significant day, World Universal Peace Day and Liberation Day, removal of the darkness and bringing light to the earth. On this significant day, we the global citizens, global family, global children of Bap Dada have assembled here in the global hospital to carry forward the divine task of removing the sorrow, suffering, diseases and removing all these things from human mind, human body, human society, human culture, and thereby we can re-establish the golden age. And it is also the day of Brahma, birthday of the Brahma Baba. It is the birthday of Brahmins. It is the birthday of Gita Jayanti. It is the birthday of the golden world order. So that's why we are laying the foundation stone, and thereby we are bringing a new culture, the culture of peace, happiness, love, truth, and all these values will be implemented, implanted in the human life and in the human conscious as a soul, and thereby we become a divine soul. And once again, देवदास ऐसे बनने वालों को, ऐसे कार्य करने वालों को, ऐसे कार्य के निमित्त बने हुए आदरणीय डॉक्टर प्रताप भाई को, उनके साथी सभी भाई बहनों को, और इससे पूर्व वीरवीर भाई जी, उनकी सहयोगी सभी भाई बहनों को, दादियों को, सबको बधाई। और वर्तमान समय में निमित्त बने हुए मोहिनी दीदी, जयंती दीदी और मुन्नी दीदी, अन्य सभी दीदियों, आप सबको भी अपने दिल की बहुत बहुत मल्टी-मिलियन टाइम्स बधाई, बधाई, बधाई। ओम शांति, नमस्ते।
ओम शांति, ओम शांति। Of course, it is the day of celebration. But before I say a few words about today's celebration, when I think of the whole world, there are two needs. One is family, another is kindness and compassion. Because the real families are there, but within the family, domestic disputes and a lot of things keep going on. So Baba's family is and also should keep aim to be such a family which is completely free from anything which is not needed, right? Whatever is happening lost. So family, what is family? Family means care, family means love, family is support. But why I use these two words, kindness and compassion? Because the leadership, whether it is leader of an organization or leader of the hospital, I always found Dr. Pratap had both qualities. He is very kind and he is very compassionate. Because I remember many from the foreign countries or anyone comes to me and say, I need surgery, I need whatever. And can I go to Global Hospital? Or I don't have funds to give. I said, okay, you just go, I will talk to Dr. Pratap. No one has been refused treatment in Global Hospital. And whenever, like Devar Bhai a few times mentioned, that anywhere, any Brahma Kumari worldwide is our family, and we must provide them treatment. I remember whether they are in Ahmedabad, whether they are here, and I also always feel that's kind of our love for the family, care for the family. So when they always call it Global Hospital, for parents, Shiv Baba, Bab Dada, Shiv Baba, Brahma Baba, they are our parents, right? And parents have this hospital. And I know that we all love to always help in whatever way. From day one, I always had very deep feelings and that whatever way we can help hospital, we will. And I remember that this MRI thing had to be established, and when I had also to go for MRI, it's so nice. When I so nice, I said, no, I don't want to go. But it's very comfortable and you could really be taken care of. So what I want to say that all of us on this day of Shiv Jayanti, which is our Parents' Day, each one of us should keep a generous heart, a kind feelings, and very, very compassionate. Because this is such a nurturing qualities for every human being, not only human beings, but for whole universe, whether it is human beings, whether it is elements or anyone in the universe. So first of all, I would definitely want to appreciate and congratulations for Global Hospital staff, everyone, whether they are cleaning, whether they are cooking, everyone, right? At least clap for them. So, it's really coming from our parents, right, Shiv Baba? So we're celebrating our birthday for our father, parents, and also to have it in Global Hospital, which mostly we come every year, is really, really something of great happiness and joy. I always wish that Global Hospital can constantly keep serving, and anyone who comes here goes well, Yesterday somebody came to me, was very sick. So I said, go, get your blood test. Because some of the countries, even to get blood test, you need money or insurance or something. But here they don't ask anything. She said, but I don't have anything to give. I said, you go. If they ask you, give my name, I will give. It's all right, you go. So many souls, they come and they get their health checkup, and it's like their parents' home. So happy Shiv Jayanti, your birthday also. So congratulations and good feelings, good wishes for each one of you, and also for your ones. Om Shanti and thanks, Baba. Om Shanti.
इतनी खुशियों का मौका है, इतनी बड़ी द क्रिएटर का बर्थडे हो, अगर हम केक ना काटें ये हो नहीं सकता है। तो हम सभी दीदियों के साथ जहाँ भी बैठे हैं, आदरणीय प्रताप भाई अभी केक कटिंग के बाद अगर गिफ्ट के लेन देन ना हो वो भी अधूरा हो जाएगा। यज्ञ के प्रति प्रताप भाई साहब से निवेदन है, हॉस्पिटल की ओर से याद सौगात देवे और साथ में शशिबाला मैडम अपने स्कूल और कॉलेज की ओर से भी धनराशि यज्ञ के लिए दिए हैं। प्रताप भाई साहब को दे रहे हैं अमृत भाई साहब, और कुछ सौगात भी देव भाई ने मुनि बहन की ओर से हॉस्पिटल के लिए पेश किए हैं। अभी हम इसके बाद 2 मिनट बाप दादा की मधुर याद में इस कार्यक्रम को संपन्न करेंगे। इसके साथ मंच पर विराजे सभी विशिष्ट